What is wrong with this toilet? If you're smelling sewer smells all the time, need some plumbing and a little peace of mind, call Albert Nahman. Don't ignore the faulty sewer signs. Frequent clogs make you wanna lose your mind, call Albert Nahman. Got some issues with some rodents and don't know it. We can show it then dispose it, yeah you know it, call Albert Nahman. Got some cracks up in your slab, that's bad. Later on that can cost a lot of cash, call Albert Nahman. Extra lush patches on the grass, that's a sign that it's something going bad, call Albert Nahman. Your toilet keep flushing on its own, that's a problem cause it ain't nobody home, call Albert Nahman. 510-216-5421, call Albert Nahman. 510-216-5421, call Albert Nahman. Call Albert Nahman. Call Albert Nahman.